At number 1, we have the SoftDuo Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat. Standing for long periods in the kitchen can cause significant leg, foot, and lower back discomfort, especially for seniors. The SoftDuo provides excellent cushioning that reduces pressure on joints while offering stable, non-slip support. Its durable foam construction withstands heavy use, and the beveled edges prevent tripping. Many users report noticeable relief during long cooking sessions. Easy to clean and available in various sizes, this mat transforms hard kitchen floors into a more forgiving surface. It promotes longer, pain-free time in the kitchen and better posture. A simple but highly effective investment in daily comfort. At number 2, we have the Magic Opener Arthritis Bottle Opener. Designed specifically for those with arthritis or reduced grip strength, this multifunctional opener tackles bottle caps, jar lids, and pull tabs with minimal effort. Its ergonomic shape and multiple gripping points provide excellent leverage without requiring strong twisting or pinching motions. Compact enough for drawer storage, yet sturdy for daily use, it prevents frustration and potential hand injuries. Seniors consistently praise how it restores independence when opening everyday items like soda bottles, medicine containers, or food jars. A small tool that delivers big relief in the kitchen and beyond. At number 3, we have the Airpro Rotary Cheese Grater. This rotary grater makes shredding cheese, chocolate, or nuts quick and effortless with a simple crank, requiring far less hand strength than traditional graters. The sharp stainless steel drum produces consistent results while keeping hands safe from cuts. It's ideal for anyone who loves homemade meals but wants to avoid strain. Users love the speed and control it offers for effortless meal enhancement. From salads to pizzas, it does it all. Plus, it's easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Its compact, sturdy design saves space and ensures longevity.
At number 4, we have the Starfrit Automatic Potato Peeler. Tired of the tedious, wrist-straining chore of peeling vegetables, this gadget automates the entire process. Its rotating mechanism quickly and evenly removes skins from potatoes, carrots, and other firm produce, minimizing waste. With simple one-button operation and easy cleanup, it's incredibly user-friendly. It even comes with 2 spare blades and works with a power adapter or batteries for maximum convenience. Transform a tiring chore into a fast hands-off task. A practical gadget for anyone who loves to cook.
At number 5, we have the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. This portable induction cooktop offers precise temperature control and rapid heating without an open flame, making it safer and more efficient than traditional stoves. The flat surface and touch controls are easy to wipe clean and operate. Auto shut-off features add peace of mind. It works with induction-compatible pots and delivers consistent results for boiling, simmering, or frying. Users appreciate its portability, energy efficiency, and modern performance. Perfect for seniors, apartments, or as a supplemental cooking space.
At number 6, we have the PETHOMKIT Meat Tenderizer tool. Tenderizing meat often requires significant force, which can be challenging. This tool features a comfortable, ergonomic handle and effective blades that break down tough fibers with less effort. It improves texture and flavor absorption for steaks, chicken, or roasts while reducing chewing difficulty. Durable construction and easy cleaning make it a reliable kitchen companion. Seniors report better cooking results with reduced strain, making family meals more enjoyable and accessible.
At number 7, we have the DMI Steak Knife. These specially designed steak knives feature ergonomic handles that provide a secure, comfortable grip, even for those with arthritis or limited hand mobility. Sharp, high-quality blades cut through cooked meats smoothly with minimal pressure. The balanced design reduces wrist strain during meals. Often sold in sets, they're perfect for everyday dining or special occasions. Users frequently mention improved dining comfort and safety compared to standard knives.
At number 8, we have the KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser. Say goodbye to messy spoons and uneven pancakes. This dispenser allows precise, controlled pouring of batter with a simple squeeze mechanism, creating perfect portion sizes every time. Ideal for pancakes, waffles, or crepes, it reduces waste and cleanup time. The transparent body lets you see remaining batter, and it's easy to fill and wash. Seniors love how it simplifies breakfast prep and makes fun meals less stressful and more consistent.
At number 9, we have the HYTRIC electric cooker. This versatile all-in-one pot simplifies meal prep with functions for steaming, slow cooking, or perfect rice every time. Its user-friendly controls and automatic shutoff feature enhance safety, making it a worry-free option for everyone. The detachable design is perfect for one-pot meals, saving you from using the main stove and reducing cleanup. It's compact yet powerful, ideal for small kitchens, travel, or camping adventures. Many seniors love the set-and-forget convenience that reduces standing time while delivering healthy, delicious results. And when dinner's done, the non-stick surface makes cleanup an absolute breeze. The HYTRIC electric cooker, your new kitchen essential. At number 10, we have the AOSION Stock Pot with lid. This sturdy stock pot is designed with easy grip handles and a well-fitting lid, making it safer and more manageable for larger batch cooking like soups, stews, or pasta. High-quality materials ensure even heating and durability, suitable for stovetop or oven use in many cases. Plus, the handy fryer basket makes cooking and draining a breeze, with a lock to prevent spills and a folding handle for easy storage. Seniors benefit from its capacity for family meals or meal prepping with less risk of spills due to its balanced design. The AOSION Stock Pot, a reliable everyday essential that supports comfortable cooking.